Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect After Effects to Adobe Lightroom for color matching. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Make sure you have Adobe Lightroom installed and running. In After Effects, navigate to the Project panel. Import the footage you want to color match. Select the footage layer in the timeline. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for the Lumetri color effect. Drag and drop the Lumetri color effect onto your footage layer. Now, switch to Adobe Lightroom. Import the same footage into Lightroom if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Develop module in Lightroom. Adjust the color settings to match your desired look. Make note of the settings you applied, like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and color grading. Open the color grading panel if you made any adjustments there. Now, return to After Effects. In the Lumetri color effect, replicate the settings you noted from Lightroom. Start with the basic correction settings. Adjust exposure and contrast to match Lightroom. Fine-tune highlights and shadows as needed. Next, go to the Color Wheels and Match panel if you used it in Lightroom. Apply similar color adjustments for shadows, midtones, and highlights. Review your footage in After Effects to see how closely it matches Lightroom. Make any final adjustments until you achieve the desired look. Once satisfied, render the final output. You've successfully connected After Effects to Adobe Lightroom for color matching. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.